Hey everybody, Yosh and I are checking in from the beautiful Adirondack Mountains in upstate New York, and we're here at the Northeast NuCamp Rally 2023, hosted by Mandy Lea and Kendrick. And we're here at the Spacious Skies Adirondack Peaks Campground. Now Yosh, I've noticed more than quite a few unique campers. Why don't we go talk to some people and see what kind of modifications that they've actually done on their campers. And I'm hoping to maybe get a couple ideas for my own. What do you say?
Let's go.
Yeah. Just wondering if you could give us your experience for yourself as far as your favorite modification that you've made to your camper.
Think vertical within your space. Within the clamshell, they actually have two cabinets. The way the cabinet actually comes is more like this one, where it's an open space. I divided using a piece of plywood, using some L brackets, and I added a shelf across with ledger boards so I can actually put my plates here and here. And what I did find were some cutlery drawers from my local Dollarama. So very simple construction.
Very nice.
I am not a carpenter.
What is your favorite modification?
My favorite is then we put in a new gooseneck faucet in this kitchen sink.
So this is the sink. This swivels 360 as the pull out. Again, works great. This is the old contraption. Used to have a dome lid on here, a glass lid. So if you left this up here and you close this, it opens the water valve.
Right.
So then this fills up, your gray tank fills up. The next thing you know, your whole camper's flooded.
What is your favorite modification that you've done to your camper?
Well, we've owned this camper for 4 days now, so the only modification we've done is we've added an awning. This Walker Suntex inflatable awning is just amazing. It's a nice block from the sun. Hopefully we don't get any rain. We don't want to test it in the rain.
Right.
That is really our only modification.
What's your favorite modification that you've made on it?
Well, since we love to cook and bake, we took out the microwave that came with the camper, and we found the same cubic size. It's a microwave, convection oven, and air fry.
Oh my God.
That's been a game changer.
Yeah. Hey, thanks to everybody for sharing all those wonderful modifications to your campers. And I'm sure I'll be using more than a couple of them. Can't wait to start. So listen, if you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. Certainly helps the channel grow. While you're down there, hey, drop a comment or some feedback. Let me know what kind of modifications you have. I'd love to hear from you. And so listen, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and by all means, you already know it, stay on. Yeah!